Hello everyone, you might be a cybersecurity enthusiast, or someone trying switch career isn't. Today we will discuss about different career path in cybersecurity. After completing this session you will understand which career you have to choose. Offensive security is the process of breaking into computer systems, exploiting software bugs, and finding loopholes in applications to gain unauthorized access to them. To beat a hacker, you need to behave like a hacker, finding vulnerabilities and recommending patches before a cybercriminal does. Defensive security, which is the process of protecting an organization's network and computer systems. That is by analyzing and securing any potential digital threats. Who is a penetration tester? They are also known as pen tester. They are responsible for testing technology products for finding exploitable security vulnerabilities. Objective of pen tester is to identify and exploit as many vulnerabilities as possible within a defined scope. Approach uses a combination of automated tools and manual techniques to find and exploit security weaknesses. As a red teamer, your objective is to simulate real-world attacks to test the organization's detection and response capabilities. Red teamer approach is by emulates advanced persistent threats, APTs, using stealthy and sophisticated techniques to avoid detection. As security engineer, you have to develop various security measures, monitoring systems, incident response, implementing security solution, training staff, etc. Your subscription will be a great support for us.